This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 73 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're finishing off the arm and then starting on the hand next time. Looking at bullets, wheels and tools, vehicles and weapons. Obviously, he's got his Auto 9, we remember. Yeah, he's got his own car, has he? Don't remember that. Robocop's Interceptor. It was a 1994 Ford Mustang, apparently. Yeah. Obviously, like the whole gun in the leg bit. That's pretty iconic. So, yes, the left arm, we've got the left wrist. It concludes the construction of the left arm, so maybe there isn't anything covering over that screw hole. I don't know. No, looks like there isn't on that side. Can't really make it out, so it's not a problem, is it? So yes, we've got the rubber wrist insert and a piece to cover over the outside detailing on that, and that will be the left arm finished. How to classify robots? Yeah, robotic things are difficult to industrial, military, social, medical, agricultural and livestock, and research. Fair enough. Quantum teleportation. Transmitting information over long distances. Yeah, it's the whole quantum entanglement thing, isn't it? And yeah, it's difficult, and I can't get my head around it. But if you want to pause it and read through, feel free. Qubits can store two possible values simultaneously. It's binary, but it's not. But yeah, I don't know. But there we go. And that is that. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get this wrist put together. So fairly easy part. This one, only two parts supplied. We've got our first that just needs to go in there. There is a difference in hole size, so you've got to get it the right way around. But then that just pops in like that. And then this will just go on there like that. And again, it's slightly shaped and does indeed have a nicer outside on this bit. So that's more of a hero side, and the other bit will be on the inside. And that just pops on. Like that. Oh, did it the right way round, so it's actually 90 degrees to how I thought it was. That's actually the hero underside rather than the top side. No. Yeah, it only fits in properly one way round because the moulding and shape goes onto there. So that is that. We've got now our wrist piece, which once the hand pots on there, we'll push that on there more securely and enable that to move around just that bit if you want to change the wrist position. So there we go. Left arm basically done. We've got the hand to attach to it, but the arm itself is finished, except for the detail parts on the outside there, which I assume we can't do until we attach this to the other part of it, which has got to be attached to the body. And we haven't done the body yet, so yeah. There we go. Another issue done. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you for the last part of this package very soon. So stay safe. Bye-bye for now.